A kitchen is the heart of your home, where family and friends get together to enjoy moments seasoned with love. The InnoTech Channels by Hettich is a highly space-saving and ergonomically effective organizing solution. The InnoTech drawers go beyond maximizing storage space. They help to make a kitchen a welcoming place that expresses your taste and lifestyle. InnoTech provides superb organization of your kitchen contents, from groceries to gadgets and from cutlery to cleaning materials. It comes with extremely flexible separators and dividers which allow you to plan your drawer contents as you wish. Efficiency is key when planning kitchen and storage layout. The pot and pan solution by Hettich comes with a height of about 174 mm, enabling easy organization. Stainless steel chrome-plated bottle pullout comes with different widths of 150 mm to 300 mm. Carousel is a corner solution which has revolving shelves that can be rotated up to 360 degrees. It is easy to fit and provides better access. This solution is fitted with special hinges which have an opening angle of 165 degrees. With innovative design, the corner unit, otherwise called magic corner or moving corner, makes reaching the tight corners almost effortless. It has 4 layers and its orientation can be changed as per the kitchen design. With rollout prevention technique, the wicker baskets can be used to store vegetables or any other fresh produce from your kitchen garden. They are available in 3 different heights, that is 120 mm, 210 mm and 300 mm. Slideline 66 is a sliding solution for overhead storage. It comes with a weight-bearing capacity of 10 kgs. Meals and memories are made in the kitchen. We help you create memories.
उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। हमारे साथ इसी तरह जुड़े रहने के लिए प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और उसके बाजू में जो बेल का साइन है उसके ऊपर भी क्लिक कर दीजिए। और मुझे आप सबके कमेंट पढ़ना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, जैसे मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ। तो प्लीज नीचे कमेंट्स में लिख के बताइए कि ऐसी कौन सी नई चीज थी जो आज इस वीडियो से आपने सीखी है, या इस वीडियो का कोई पर्टिकुलर हिस्सा जो आपको बहुत पसंद आया है। चलिए मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते एक नए और इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक को लेकर। तब तक के लिए बाय।